Hello Amazon world, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today a very interesting product for people, but this is a multi-cleaning pin. You can kind of see by the pictures here, Bluetooth earbuds cleaning pin. So this is able to kind of get down into the earbuds and clean them out. Not just for earbuds, it can clean out anything that's really small, but earbuds are specifically what they're targeting, I believe. Let's open it up, take a look at what we have. So first, they include you a little cloth. Very nice. And then, look at what we've also got. We've also got whatever these are. I have no earthly idea what those are. And then, there's the actual pin. Oh, whoa. Okay, so now I see. So multi-cleaning, you can use this little brush here. This would help clean some things up. Of course, this point would be able to get down into any holes and get out any lint or dust. And then apparently you can even take this out like so, flip it around this way, and now that's for cleaning something a little bigger. This is very soft feeling, feels like microfibers. This one's a little more rugged. That's really about it. This doesn't charge, it doesn't do anything special. It's literally just a little tool that is used for cleaning small things. This might be perfect for cleaning out a charging port on a device that maybe got something down in it, or maybe a smartwatch, or of course, as they are talking about mainly in their advertising, AirPods or earbuds. That's it. That will do it for the unboxing. There's not an actual manual or anything down in here. I can't tell you exactly what these are. I feel like I really don't know. This is the tool. You would want to buy one of these to clean your earbuds or clean something small. That's what you'd get in the unboxing. That should do it for today's video. Thanks for joining.